Hello everyone, thank you for joining us. Myself and my mechanical engineering team consisting of John Walters, myself Fawaz, Ashley Ferguson, Adrian Jackman, and Colin Fritz. I'm going to talk about the opportunity selection process and how we came up with the idea that we chose. First of all, we brainstormed 50 ideas and we met as a group to discuss the ideas and to get the top 10 ideas through voting. And first of all, we top 10 consists of the malware scanner identifier for phones, the dog door that collects hair and grass from dogs as they walk, the laptop charger that works similar to cell phone charger mats, and you can transfer data through them as well. The cab finder app that employs LoJack in cabs, which is membership free to find cabs using GPS as a way to tell to find parking spots, and then green synthetic polymers, an underwater smartphone, and the conductive polymer compositions. First of all, we discussed Rob Ryan's criteria. We came up with 10 of our own criteria. Before that, we set them in a spreadsheet to vote for the best idea based on the criteria. Our 10 criteria that we came up with were: production, is the technology producible, the usefulness, does it meet needs of the customer, and how big is the market, and longevity, reinvestment, and is it the next big thing, and is it convenient, implementation, and is it humanitarian. Based on the criteria I mentioned before, we came up with the top 5 ideas as a group, and the first idea we came up with that ranked first was the dog door that collects hair and grass from dogs as they walk through, possibly incorporate other features. And the second idea was using the GPS to tell which spots are open in large parking spots. The third idea was the laptop induction charger that works similar to the cell phone charger mat. And the fourth idea was the underwater smartphone. And the fifth idea was the malware scanner identifier for phones.
So after discussing the top 5, we then started to research which ones were actually already in the market. We found out that a company called PowerMat has already developed an induction laptop charger, that there was major antivirus companies already that had smartphone software, and a company called Spark Parking has created a process to detect empty parking spaces and integrate GPS. And the underwater smartphone was already in development. So that left us with our top idea, the dog door. We decided to pursue this idea because, to the best of our knowledge, a product like this is not in existence. The market is large, as in 1 in 4 family owns a pet, and it's a simple implementation with room for creativity, and it solves a common problem, everyday need. Our customer are going to be people who have dogs. The main problems are because dogs are messy and because brings things inside of them because of their fur. And we needed a solution to prevent loose debris from entering a house with the dog. Some of the features on our dog door will be the ability to remove dirt and hair while walking through the door, allow the dog to enter and exit using a sensor while being energy efficient by keeping air and heat inside. It'll be easy to remove the dirt and hair from the dog door, and the dog door comes in adjustable sizes to accommodate for all types of dogs. And we came up with the name for Fuzzbuster for it. So why the dog door? Many families and pets have been pets create a large market possibility. The dogs are messy, and have the ability to clean them without a bath is a desirable feature. It makes it easy to keep dogs clean and keep the house clean. So our value is it's a convenience and time saver. It's an energy efficient by savings, keeping the heat or AC in, and it saves money. Also, it's a security feature by keeping other animals out. Known as a man's best friend. So it's only acceptable that they're treated with the greatest abilities as keeping them clean and safe. And the Fuzzbusters will have all of these capabilities.